Oh, we're not talking about your basic shrimp dish. This is a flavor-packed masterpiece, and I'm about to show you how. First up, we've got the stars of our show, those plump, juicy black tiger shrimp. These beauties aren't just big, they're a blank canvas for bold Korean flavors. Start by peeling and deveining them, but leave the tails on for that restaurant-style look. Now, let's make magic happen. In a bowl, mix 2 tablespoons of gochujang, that's Korean chili paste, bring in all the spicy, sweet, and savory goodness. Add a tablespoon of soy sauce for umami, a tablespoon of honey for that sticky sweet balance, a teaspoon of sesame oil for a nutty depth, a splash of rice vinegar to keep things bright, and don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of fresh grated ginger for that fragrant punch. Whisk it all together until it looks like a glossy red dream. Toss those shrimp right in and make sure they're fully coated. Let them marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. And while they soak up all that flavor, let's talk about our secret weapon, Korean rice cakes. Now, these aren't your cardboard flavorless rice cakes. They're chewy cylindrical rice cakes, and we're about to turn them into crispy perfection. But first, if you're using refrigerated rice cakes, you need to soak them in warm water for 10 to 15 minutes. This is the key to getting that perfect soft interior without being dry. Think of it like giving them a little spa day. Once they've soaked, drain them well. Heat a large nonstick pan with a couple of tablespoons of neutral oil over medium-high heat. Lay those rice cakes down and listen for that sizzle. Don't crowd the pan. We want each one to get that golden, crispy exterior. Give them about 3 to 5 minutes on each side. Hit them with a pinch of salt. When they're golden and crunchy on the outside but still chewy in the middle, set them aside. These are going to be the crispy, chewy base for our shrimp. Now, let's bring back those marinated shrimp. Heat a tablespoon of oil in this same skillet Team 1 pan. Remember, lay the shrimp down in a single layer. Don't touch them. Let them sear for 2 to 3 minutes. You want them to develop a slight char and caramelization. Flip them over and pour in any remaining marinade. Let it bubble and thicken, coating the shrimp in a sticky, spicy, and glossy glaze. We're talking flavor overload, but we're not stopping there. Let's add a creamy, velvety element with soft-boiled eggs. Bring a small pot of water to a boil, carefully lower in 2 eggs, and set a timer for 6.5 minutes. No more, no less. Once time's up, shock them in an ice bath. This stops the cooking immediately, leaving you with a perfectly jammy yolk. Peel them gently and set them aside. Time to plate. Start with those golden, crispy rice cakes as your base. Arrange the sticky gochujang shrimp on top, letting any extra glaze drizzle down. Slice the soft-boiled eggs right in half and just look at that beautiful yolk. Sprinkle sliced scallions and toasted sesame seeds for that extra Korean touch. And that's it, Korean Gochujang-Glazed black tiger shrimp over crispy rice cakes taken to the next level. This dish is sweet, spicy, crispy, creamy, a total flavor roller coaster. Want the full written recipe? It's all waiting for you at kelvinskitchen.com. And if you love this, hit that subscribe button. Why settle for boring when you can cook like this?